Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to log into Hulu on your Amazon Fire Stick. Follow these easy instructions to start streaming your favorite TV shows, movies, and live content in just a few minutes. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and TV. Use your TV remote to switch to the HDMI input connected to your Fire Stick. Once the Fire Stick home screen appears, make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Go to the home screen. From the main Fire Stick interface, press the Home button on your Fire Stick remote to ensure you're on the home screen. Step 3. Open the Hulu app. If you already have the Hulu app installed, you'll see it in your Apps and Channels section. Highlight the Hulu app and press Select to open it. If you don't have the Hulu app yet, go to Find, Search, type Hulu, and select it from the search results. Then click Download or Get to install it. Step 4. Launch Hulu. Once installed, open the Hulu app. It may take a few seconds to load for the first time. Step 5. Choose Login. On the Hulu welcome screen, select Login. You'll be given two sign-in options: activate on a computer, login on this device. Step 6. Sign in with your Hulu account. If you choose Login on this device, use your Fire Stick remote to enter your Hulu email and password. If you choose Activate on a computer, go to hulu.com/activate on your smartphone or computer and enter the code shown on your TV screen. Step 7. Access your profile. Once logged in, select your Hulu profile or create a new one if necessary. This will personalize your viewing experience. Step 8. Start watching Hulu. You're all set. Browse through your favorite TV shows, movies, and live channels. Select what you want to watch and start streaming instantly. That's it. You successfully logged into Hulu on your Fire Stick. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tutorials and streaming guides.